Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the server action, how the server action is easily useful and how we can automate or like bulk action we can perform using the one click that instead of like going to separate record and perform action. So for that we have a server action. If we activate the developer mode from the general settings, scroll down, and here in the developer tools we have already activated, and we have server actions, right? So let's say we will follow one example. Let's say for the here for the let's say let's say here we let's say let's say for here in invoice, if we want to do something like if you want to send multiple emails, if you want to send specific email templates, then we will add here some kind of action to send specific email. Let's say for that we will create email templates. Let's say this template, and we will design here the email template. Let's say send let's say agreement email something, and we will apply to the invoice, and we can design here uh, the email because it's allowed like here html something. For now I will only like add normal design. Hello there, please find the attached agreement letter and sign and send back. Right? This is something add. We can add here attachments or anything, right? We can add here files, right? Whatever, if we want to send something, let's say, right? This kind of let's say this is normal email templates. Now if we want to send this using bulk action, then let's say we need to create a server action. If I go to here server action and send agreement email model is journal entry, and here you can see send email. Will select the templates we created and we will send as a email, and we will save this. Click on create contextual action. It means it will add the menu inside our invoices. So let's say if we go to the accounting sales invoices, and here if we select multiple records, and here let's say if I refresh the page, let's say if I select here, let's say these invoices, click on actions, and you can see send agreement email, and it will send the email, right? Right, you can see this is the email sent with the pdf, so with multiple records you can see, right? So this is how we can use the server action to perform different action uh, easily from here actions menu to perform multiple uh, work, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.